Hey guys, it's Remy and welcome back to my channel. I'm really sorry for being so absent on this channel for a very long time, but I'm back and I'm going to try to do as much nail art here as possible. So today's video is going to be about how to get the gradient look using the dip powder. And yes guys, dip powder. And it's super easy to do as well and they stay on your nails for a very long time. So starting off, I'm going to be using a ROSSI primer, and a primer is basically used so that the powder can stay on your nail as long as it can. I've already done 3 of my nails here and I've just left my pointer so that I can show you guys. And so I just applied the primer already, which I could not record unfortunately. And the next step will be the base coat. And the colors that I'll be using are these, and also these are from ROSSI and they're amazing, trust me. And also guys, these look completely different in powder form as compared to the way they look on your nails. So that's completely confusing sometimes, but that's okay. Apply the base coat like you normally do your nail paint, and it's basically a glue, so make sure that you don't get it anywhere near your skin, okay? And you just apply it all over your nails, and don't forget to cover the tip as well. And I'm just taking this fan brush and dipping it a little bit and then placing my nail at a 60-degree angle on the container, and I'm just going to tap on my fan brush and let the powder go all over the tip like this, as you guys can see. Now this is the motion that I'm using, so see, it's not hard at all. I'm just using the dabbing motion and I'm just going to try to cover the entire tip normally, and then I'm going to go with very little of the powder that is on the fan brush and go over the center that is in the middle of the nail to get that gradienty look. Now once that is done, take your nail to the next container, that is the peach one, and we're just going to use this cuticle pusher to put all the powder over the nail, covering the entire nail like this, and then wait for a few seconds, and then you can just tap it off, tap the extra off, and with your brush make sure that you get rid of all the excess that is not attached to your nail, and then repeat the same steps to get a proper opacity, that is the base coat, then the red using the fan brush all over your tips, and once the tip is covered, then you just have to completely cover the nail with the peach one. Then tap it off and then just clean the nail and the finger, and then you're gonna go ahead with the ROSSI activator, and you just have to apply it all over your nails generously so that the activator can make the powder dry. Once it's dry, you can see by tapping it like if it's done or not, and then you just have to buff it off where you don't want the nail to be super thick, that is near the cuticles, right? And then once you're done with that, apply another layer of activator like this generously, and then go ahead with the top coat that is again from ROSSI here, and apply generously all over your nail. And as you guys can see, the shine is coming really nice, but you need to use 2 coats because 1 coat is not going to stay super shiny for long. And yeah, this is how the end result is going to look like, and you guys can see the ombre look is looking so amazing. So you can go ahead and do this and use this technique to get any kind of ombre effect with any colors you like. Do share it with me if you do use this technique, and I would love to see it. That is it for today's video guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.